So if you are traveling on the international north-south transport corridor from India, your path will be, okay, so that is basically asking where all it passes through. Okay, this is a very important international corridor which was halted in between the project. So here the answer is, if you see, Mumbai, Bandar Abbas, Baku, Astrakhan, and Moscow, and St. Petersburg. So now you will understand like it is from India to Russia, but in between there are a lot of other countries. Okay, so that map when you see, you will understand. So here if you see, this is Mumbai, and from Mumbai if you go here to Iran, and then after Iran here Armenia and Azerbaijan is there. After that again you are going to Central Asian countries, then you will enter Russia. So now when you need to transport something from here to here, we can take this a mix of sea plus land plus rail plus every kind of thing is there. So that route you can use if this is completed successfully, because earlier we used to go through like this. Okay, we have to go here, and this Gulf of Aden is there. We go here and through this Suez Canal, we go to Mediterranean Sea after crossing Gulf of Aqaba. Then we go here, then we have this small gap here where Portuguese and Spain is there. Then we take a U-turn in North Sea, then again here North Sea through Britain and France, and then again Baltic Sea. This much round trip you have to take, and imagine the ship fuel and all these things, which is costly. Okay, but now if you have the proper land route, okay, if actually Pakistan was allowing, it was much more easier, but you know, Pakistan and India, there are border issues, so we have to take through Iran. Okay, so this is the idea about this. So if you see here, this one is a 7,200 kilometer long multi-mode network of ship. Okay, multi-mode network means ship, rail, road, everything is there. Okay, for moving freights from, meaning cargo ships from India, Iran, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia, Europe. And you can see this northern end is Astrakhan, Moscow. Okay, that is this one, northern end. And then south end is the up till the Mumbai. So this primary objective, as I told, to bypass Pakistan, also bypass this long sea route also, and have a shorter route to trade till the north of Europe. Okay, this is the basic idea of north-south transport corridor.